This is the Petkit Eversweet Solo 2, and inside this video, I'm going to let you know what we think of it after 2 weeks of use. Let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. Inside of the box, we have obviously the manual. We're going to have an additional filter unit for the Petkit Eversweet Solo 2, and we have the Solo 2 itself. Setting up the Eversweet Solo 2 is an absolute breeze. All we have to do is just unscrew this top piece here, and that will reveal the inside of this water fountain. This is the actual motor here. This is going to cause the water to bubble up like a fountain so that your cats can enjoy a nice change of pace from a bowl of water. My cats absolutely love this water fountain. It definitely is a whole lot more inviting for them to drink water from. Typically we use just a normal bowl, but we have been switching lately for the past couple of weeks with this Solo 2. And being that it's so simple to use, all you have to do is fill it up with water, take this filter here, put it on top, take the top piece, twist it into place, and once you set it on the base and plug it in, the fountain is ready to go. We have two modes on the fountain. The green mode is going to be the smart mode, and that's going to be 3 minutes on of water flowing and 3 minutes off. And then we have normal mode, which is going to be constant water flowing through the Solo 2. I personally find the Petkit Eversweet Solo 2 to be a very attractive looking cat water fountain. It goes great with our Petkit litter box, and I love that I can track all the different stats of how much our cats are drinking from the app. Everything is seamless, it's modern, it's smart, and I can easily control it with the app, and it will also remind me when the water is low. So I always know when to fill this up so my cats never are running out of water. We have two cats, Banjo and Bo, and both of them love drinking out of this water fountain. It did take them a little bit of time to get used to it, but that's normal because they're cats and this is something new to their environment and they had to get used to it. But once they did, they really did love the Petkit Eversweet Solo 2. Now I was sent this by Petkit to test inside this video, and after testing it for 2 weeks with our cats, we absolutely love this. It's a great piece of equipment added to our other Petkit products. So we have the Petkit litter box so we can track our cats going to the potty, and we can also track how much water they're drinking. The Petkit Solo 2 is also not very loud, so it's not going to be disturbing you throughout the day, and that's something that I really did appreciate. I was worried that it was going to be loud, but it's not. It's very quiet and it just runs in the background, constantly providing a nice little fountain for our cats. In conclusion, I would definitely recommend the Petkit Eversweet Solo 2 as a cat water fountain. It is one of the better water fountains that we've tried for our cats, and I find that our cats are drinking a whole lot more water than they used to from a bowl when we're using this Petkit Eversweet Solo 2. So in conclusion, I would recommend it, and I think it's a great addition for our cats. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps.